Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will solve another LeetCode problem, container with most water. In this problem, we are given a heights array of length L, length N, and each index represents a height. In short, we have to find maximum area of water that can be stored between two heights. And the only catch here is that while calculating the array, we need to consider the height of the container with lesser value. Let's say for in this let's see example 1. As you can see in this diagram, the height with lesser value is considered in calculating the area, because if suppose water's height increases by, let's say, 0.001, it will simply flow out from above this wall, that is the wall with lesser value. Let's start with the implementation. First we will initialize an empty pointer, that is start 0, then end pointer, that is length of height minus 1. Then we will also initialize a max water variable and set its value to 0. Then we will use a simple two pointer approach while start is less than end, and then we will find the height with lesser value. Say min underscore height is equal to min of height of start, that is height at the start index, and then height at the end index. And while calculating the area, we will check that whether the already calculated area is larger or not, and if it is not, simply replace the value with the current area. So we have already calculated our min height for calculating the area. Then we will multiply the length by calculating the difference between end and start index, end minus start. Okay, then we will check if height at the start is less than equal to height at the end. We will simply increment the start pointer by 1, else end is decremented by 1. The reason for checking this condition, that is height start less than equal to height end, is we already have some area of water. Let's say height at end index is greater. We already know that height at the start index is less than the height at end index. We will follow greedy approach with the intention that by incrementing the start pointer index by 1, you will get a height with greater value. That's it. Same goes for end index, but in reverse order. Then we will return the max height, max water, return max underscore water. Let's see if there is any problem in the implementation. Okay, the two test cases have passed. Let's try to submit the solution. Our solution has been accepted. The time complexity will be big O of n, because we are iterating over the array, and its space complexity will be constant, that is big O of 1.